Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we are moving on, of course, we have new features here and there that are going to pop up that we now will learn more about, and some of them are being turned on in insider builds. Well, probably somewhere for 25H2, we will have these new settings that will enable you to have the different buttons to appearing on different parts of the screen. So for example, this is Phantomofearth on X that actually has discovered that we will be able to position of on-screen indicators. So there's going to be bottom center, top left, and top center. And so that means, for example, if you go into the volume control, you can see here that he's moved the volume control to the top left. And so that means there will be other areas than just above the taskbar right now. That's where it is all above the taskbar, just where you're clicking. Now there will be some choices of where you want to have it. So top left, top center. So it'll be able top center will be here. And of course, bottom center will be here. So new changes. They might be minor, but sometimes it could be useful to have some of the indicators show up on different spots of the screen. And this apparently is about to roll out to insiders, and probably would make it for the 25H2 build of Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.